Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video. And today I have a juicy update for you guys on Polygon. Polygon is one of the most popular crypto in the crypto space, obviously, but it's been absolutely killing it in terms of gains. You all know we are in a crypto bear market, meaning a lot of crypto prices are going down, but Polygon over the last month has actually more than doubled in its value, going from 34 cents a little while ago all the way towards 71 cents right now. And honestly, it is for a very good reason, as a couple of very important and very juicy statements were made in the recent past. Take a look at this. MATIC / Polygon surges as Disney chooses Polygon for their accelerator program. The Ethereum scaling tool is one of 6 companies selected by the media and entertainment giant to be part of its program to develop AR, NFT, and AI experiences. So the Walt Disney Company has a new initiative going where they basically want to expand in the most innovative, companies or ideas. It's kind of hard to extrapolate the exact meaning. Disney basically had a press release recently which said, hey, we have a new accelerator. Here's the couple of things we want to expand on. One of them being a blockchain company, again, Polygon, but you can see here for yourself. We got FlickPlay, In-World, Lockerverse, Obsess, Polygon, and Red 6. And Polygon is a scalable blockchain network that allows developers and enterprises to build Web3 experiences. Then again, Lockerverse also is a Web3 platform, but it is a little bit different. Same thing for FlickPlay. I know a lot of these names from the Web3 part of things, but I think Polygon is the most unique, one out of the bunch. So Polygon is one of 6 companies selected. A business and development program is this accelerator to spur the growth of innovative companies around the world. Polygon was the only blockchain native platform chosen. Now, obviously, the Polygon price did pretty well over the last little while here because of this statement. And that's also partially because all major news outlets are starting to post this news about Polygon. You can understand native crypto people, so to speak, well, they're buying in because of announcements like this. When you start to see crypto, specifically these blockchain companies we all know and love, being so clearly defined as good or juicy by behemoths in the traditional financial space like Walt Disney, who's been around for feels like hundreds of years by now. When they're being acknowledged like that, that's not something which you can easily overlook. And I think this, from an investment standpoint, has solidified Polygon as top 5 for sure. Top 5 most certain crypto. Whoa, I thought for a second my door was moving. I think it's just my head bopping like this. There's some crazy light effect going on with the door being slightly open. I got freaked out, right? I thought somebody was in the house with me here, okay? All right, let's back and focus. But it's basically solidified itself as one of my top 5 most certain cryptos of certain to reach success over prolonged periods of time. It's basically that stamp of longevity now because of this initiative. Does not mean they'll succeed for certain. It just means they have a very high chance to do so. There's a very small chance for failure, as this will most likely bring in a significant mentor in terms of funding and everything like that as well over prolonged periods of time. So this is a huge upgrade for Polygon, intensely insane, and you can see all the major news outlets were covering it like crazy. I'm a little bit late to the party, but that's because I honestly, at the start, did not see how deep the whole program lied. I saw Polygon was pumping because of some announcement, but I thought, okay, it's pumping a little bit because of all of this, but no, it's actually literally doubled in value over this period of time. And it could be that there were just insiders buying it, right? Right now, I can see on this chart that Polygon has actually gone above some of the most major resistance levels as well. And it's kind of funny to see that the Polygon price has actually pumped another 10% from this level all the way towards right here, with I guess this being our first and interesting little resistance along this line. No, I guess it's pumped till right around Here's 71 cents. I thought this was 71, but this is 79, and there's 85, I think. So it's not pumped that far. So we still have a little bit of a room to go before a lot of these other resistances are taken out. But Polygon is pumping like mad because of this. And now in terms of price prediction, one of the most difficult things to put out here for you guys is one of those. Because, well, what time frame are we talking about? If we're talking about a couple of months, honestly, 50 cents or $1 is just too close to say, wow, that's going to be crazy. I mean, what can we really say? If Bitcoin keeps continuing on to be bearish, it would not be too crazy to see Polygon just continue to suffer with the same fate, even though it's got the stamp of approval. It only might form itself a slightly higher bottom, but it will just fall if Bitcoin does fall as well. If, however, we switch back to a bull run, partnerships like these are what really consolidates or considers a certain crypto to be a gem potential, a 10x potential, a 100x potential in this next run. Do I honestly believe Polygon can easily hit $20 in the next bull run? Certainly. Again, guys, I'm not saying it'll certainly happen. I'm saying there's a very good chance that it will happen based on the fact that it is not too crazy. How do I define this? Let's just say it is certainly possible, or it's not that odd if it were to happen. It wouldn't surprise me if we're actually ending the bull run at way above $35, maybe even $32, let's say, for Polygon at some point in the near future. But yeah, before I end this video, there's actually one very important thing regarding Ripple that I need to discuss. Actually, two. Like Jeremy Hogan just said, there's a new transcript that came out from the hearing between Ripple and the SEC a while ago. This again is news for my XRP holders. If you're not holding XRP, you might not fully understand everything that's going on here, as well, you needed to have followed a little bit of the lawsuit news. There was basically a call a little while ago where some things were said by the SEC that were very contradictory in essence, and one of the most famous lawyers in the XRP community, well, he figured it out. He caught him red-handed, as, well, they basically said one thing while also trying to say the other, and this clash of their own words might lead them into a lot of trouble, as this really strengthens one of Ripple's core defenses, particularly the fair notice defense, because if the SEC is trying to say, hey, we did not give the market guidance, but we did give the market guidance, we don't know which one it is, but this makes Ripple's case a lot stronger, Ripple's side, because of the fair notice defense, like he argues. Let's quickly see his second comment here. In other words, the SEC tried to have it both ways and instead got nothing. Like when you're cheating on your girl and they both found out and now you have absolutely zero big girls. Ooh. And then there's actually one other thing that just came out in the lawsuit 30 minutes ago. The parties have filed letters outlining various requests and justifications for narrowly tailored redactions being basically hiding things away, to the documents filed in connection with the motion. All right, so a motion being some sort of request basically. So again, let's quickly summarize here. Both parties, so Ripple and the SEC, have filed a letter, so sent a letter to the judge, outlining various requests, obviously understand, and justifications for hiding away a lot of information regarding a request by MATIC, which can be a variety of different people. MATIC are just friends, right? I'm assuming in this case it is friends of the court. In this case here, with the motion by MATIC, I think John Dean's motion to not intervene, but to basically come in and explain why the expert from the SEC was wrong, as it says right here, to participate in challenge to one of the SEC's experts. So this is very simple, right? Again, if you're not, I'm not a lawyer, but I've been involved so much with the Ripple v. SEC case that I finally have started to understand everything, I think. That's been going on so far. I don't understand much about lawsuits. Don't get this twisted. So both parties have basically given their thoughts about hiding things away regarding John Deaton's request to basically oppose whatever the SEC expert was saying, or at least come in and explain his side of the story. SEC's expert earlier was saying that he knows why XRP holders bought XRP, and since MATIC is basically John Deaton and 70,000 XRP holders, they decided to claim and say, no, he doesn't really know why we are buying. Let us tell you why we're buying. And yeah, that's I guess the situation, as simple as it comes along. Hiding things away can be done for many odd reasons. One of them being privacy. Logically, one of them being sensitive information. There's a ton of different things you can that will fall under that bracket right there, so it's not too crazy. But that was it for today's video. All right, that was it. I have a little bit of stuff on Flare, but I think I'll cover it in a separate video soon in the near future. So that was it for today's video. If you guys all enjoyed it, make sure you press that like button. Why not, right? And if you're a trader, make sure you check out the links down below for some crazy bonuses. There's thousands of dollars to be gotten. I think it's pretty huge if you're a trader. This is going to be crazy. Having said that, that was it for today's video. Adios, amigos. Have a nice day.